Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Abhimanyu. Yep, my real name is Abhimanyu. I'm doing a speculation on my video. I told you the brawlers I like and why I like them. This is the speculation. Let's see. Okay, so Mortis. Mortis is really fun. He like with his dashes, he's pretty quick. The memes about him, Mortis in Heist, Mortis in Brawl Ball, No Hat Mortis. That's really fun. Edgar. Who doesn't like Edgar? Like seriously, he was like the only free brawler we've ever got till now. That's pretty sick if you ask me. Also, his voice lines. He's a teen like me, and I don't know what else, but yeah, this is pretty good. Rico, like look at him, he's so cute. Like look at his eyes. Like look at his gumballs. Like seriously, wow. I like him because he's cute. He has good voice lines. Yeah. Amber is really fun to play. She's one of the newer legendaries into the game. The newest, if I have to say. She's pretty fun. Her mechanics are dope. Her voice lines are pretty sick. Yeah, Tick. I don't know what's up with Lobbers, but I really like Lobbers, especially Tick. Tick is like his head. He has like some skibble voice lines. This little face here on his ribbon, I would say. Yeah, really fun to play. Spike. Spike, I would call him. I love to call him Spook. I don't know why. Even my friend likes to call him Spook. Check out his YouTube channel link in the description. So yeah, Spike. I don't know what's with him. He just looks so cute. Look at his smile and even his victory dance. Like I don't know what it's about him, but it's very cool. But it's very cool. Okay, so Poco. Poco's just really too. Like I like healing. Like if I have any heal quests, take Poco, get in the match, finish the heal quest. So yeah, Poco is pretty fun to play. You can heal others with the capo, or even screeching solo and solo showdown is pretty sick. Splash damage, I like another thing about it. Again, lobbers, dynamite. Like the first thing which comes to my mind when I hear when I hear dynamite is Dyna Jump. I've been grinding coins all day and night to like get a star power, which I sadly still can't. Bull. Bull is not in the meta right now. Not sure if he is, but yeah, tanks are facing little trouble right now. But Bull is one of my favorites. I just love his voice lines and the new skin, Space Ox Bull. Oof, it's so cool. Okay, so we got Leon here. Leon, like who does not like Leon? One of my favorite legendaries. His candy's fallen out, and yeah, he's a chameleon, so he can like camouflage, get invisible, easy trophies and showdown. Let's get ahead. Okay, so Surge. Surge is a fun character. When he was in the game, I thought he was OP, so I bought the Brawl Pass, but he got nerfed as soon as he got his star power to the max. So yeah, but he's still pretty fun. Like his relationship with Max. I don't know what not, but Surge is pretty fun. Byron, huh? Okay, so Byron, the newest brawler into the game, I would say. One of the newest, if not. Um, okay, so he's holding a stick. Looks like a snake. Pretty funny, pretty funny. And yeah, like the Byron's voice lines. Like I don't know what's about him. It's just like it looks weird, but it's fun. He could be a little weak if he got a few nerfs. Cold. Talking about nerfs. Cold just got a massive nerf, and that hit him really hard in the chest. His silver bullet got nerfed. I feel sad. He was my favorite brawler a few days ago, but he got nerfed. Sorry, Cold. Actually, he's pretty fun. So we got Crow next. Crow is my favorite legendary, and like one of my favorite legendaries, and it's my first legendary I got. So yeah, he's deserved to be on the top of the list. And because I like Lex, yeah, Crow. Lou, he's a snow cone ice cream guy. His voice lines are fun. He looks cute. Like look at his smile. It's so just so cute. And then I would love to have him near my shop. And I like the fact that he has Mr. P spoons. Jessie. She got a buff recently which made her really good in Solo Showdown. She counters many of the newest brawlers right now. I know it's very rare to see this skin in particular of Jessie. But yeah, she's pretty popular right now. Okay, last legendary, Sandy. Sandy, I don't like her that much. But yeah, I like her out of the other brawlers because she's a legendary. Legendaries are meant to be fun. Like he's sleepy just like me. Yeah, I'm lazy, guys. Yeah, not that about him. Penny. Okay, so Penny's a pirate. That's pretty obvious. Her spawner, like I think it's called Lenny. It's really annoying. So it's when you have Penny on your team, and you have a safe spot to put your mortar in. That's pretty good. You can annoy the heck out of the enemies. Max. Again, Max's relation with Surge, I like her, like, but not as much as like other brawlers. Yeah, yeah, might be wondering like, why Penny before Max? Just how like I think they're fun. Penny's fun, so is Max, but not that much. Okay, so here we're tilting backwards to some of my lesser favorite brawlers. One of them is Nani. Don't like her that much. Her peep is a little bit interesting, and the necklace Pam made. I don't know if it means anything, but yeah. Okay, Gale. Gale's a snowblower man. He works on Mr. P along with Lou. This face he has here, so it's a little weird. It reminds me of the face I saw near Amber, like here. It reminds you of this. So yeah, he's a pretty fun character, I guess. Jean. Just the pulls, man. You get the pulls, you have tank on your team. It's pretty good. Or else if you get pulled by Jean and you're a tank, that's pretty good. But like Jean, her long helicopter projectiles, you never miss a shot. El Primo. Okay, yeah, tanks are facing a problem, but I like tanks. I like Bull. I like Primo. I like other dudes, but I don't like some of them. See, you'll see later in the video. I don't know why, but he's fun. Okay, Ems. I don't like her that much, but I like her above the rest and below the other people who I just showed. Okay, B. B works very well alongside Rose and Sprout. She is a very good sharpshooter, I'd say, but I don't like her that much. Piper, the same reason. They're both snipers. They're both very really good snipers, but I don't like them that much. Daryl, my first rank 20 brawler. As I said, I kind of like tanks, but they're not in meta right now. So sorry, Daryl. I'll have you later. Okay, so we got Bo. Bo's pretty fun, I'd say. His mines are just too, too fancy. You get your mines. It's like snare bear, or even in Snake Prairie. His circling eagle star power just too good. He's fairly balanced. Carl. Carl is a fun character. I don't know why. I think this is his nose. I know it's not, but I just got used to it that this is nose. Do you think that's his nose? Let me know in the comments. Correct. She's freaky. I like her voice lines. I am a crazy Broster's addict. Yep, let's get further. Let's get further. Barley. Again, lovers, but I don't like Barley that much. Especially after like Tick and but Dynamite. Nita, one of my less favorite brawlers. I don't play her that much. My first rank 21, and her Bruce makes the change in heist, hyper bear, and the shield gadget makes a difference. Okay, we got Terra. For Terra, I like her super, and the interesting thing was about how do cards deal that much damage? Like seriously, you can do her tick. How do cards deal so much damage, bro? It's a game, but still, why? Not fun though. Okay, we got Sprout here. Sprout's not that fun. I know his walls could be useful in many situations, like cheesing OJ would say, but I don't think he's fun though. Mr. P, again, he's getting over his like servants or whatever, like workers. He just chill out, man. The porters are too annoying. No, I wouldn't want to face him anytime, any day, never wanna face him. Okay, 8 bit. My first rank 20, my second rank 21. He like I guess he's got a new gadget which helps him pretty much. But other than that, I don't like anything about 8 bit. So yeah, Brock. He used to be swaggy in the old days in the beta time, but now I don't think he's that great. His voice lines, I'm okay with them. Okay, my latest rank 15, Pam. I don't like Pam that much. I don't know why. Pam's just, you know, okay. Rosa. I don't like tanks except Bull or Daryl or sometimes El Primo. But Rosa's just too weird. Okay, Frank. Again, tanks are not going well. But after Frank's new gadget, I think I might place him little above El Primo or something. BB. I wouldn't say much about BB other than she's not fun. Like her bubble could do some things, but not really any other thing. Like the last two brawlers, could have guessed them. Jackie and can you guess the last brawler, which I hate the most? Well, don't even talk about Jackie. She's too, weird. She says drr and drr and yeah. Okay, the last brawler is Shelly. Yeah, no surprise, but yeah, it's Shelly. Okay, Shelly. Look at her face. So stupid. Voice lines are trash. Damage pretty good, but like close range. I don't know why she's just too dumb to be played with. And yeah, let's continue with the video. And with that, peace out.